How to enable reader mode in Safari on iPhone. Start by launching Safari and opening any article or blog. Reader mode only works on pages with readable contents, like news stories or how-to guides. Once the page loads, tap the AA icon in the address bar at the top left corner. This brings up a menu with several display options. From the menu, tap Show Reader. Now, all distractions like ads, sidebars, and pop-ups are gone, leaving you with just clean text and images. If you want to make it even more comfortable, tap the AA icon again while in reader mode to change font size, style, and background color. If you want Safari to always open certain sites in reader mode, go to Settings, Safari, Reader, and enable it for specific websites. And that's it.